There are some food combinations which are simply classic. One such combo must be chocolate with orange. This rich decadent chocolate tart brings these two great flavors together and creates magical moments. Welcome to Cook with Dhaval. Let's see how to make chocolate orange ganache today. In a small saucepan, set over low-medium heat, bring the cream to just simmering. I'm using good quality 70% dark chocolate here, but really you can use any good chocolate. Remove it from the heat and stir in the chocolate. Let the chocolate and hot cream sit for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Do not stir this mixture. You might end up separating cocoa butter from the chocolate. Gram Marnier goes really well with it, vanilla goes really well with it, but today I'm keeping it simple. I'm using only orange zest. Stir chocolate and cream mixture slowly with spatula, or you can even use a whisk, but be sure to whisk it lightly. You have to be gentle with this mixture. And if your chocolate still have lumps, you can microwave it for like 10 seconds at a time. Be sure not to microwave it for too long because you might end up burning the chocolate. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes to mix nicely and it should turn into smooth, glossy looking chocolate ganache. Look how silky smooth that is. I'll pour this ganache into pre-baked tart shells. Let it chill in refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours. So you would let the chocolate ganache set nicely. If you are in rush to taste this decadent dessert, you can even set it in freezer for around 1 hour. Look how delicious, glossy, chocolatey and rich that looks. And that orange zest is your secret weapon to take it to the next level. Watch my other videos here. Click on this icon to subscribe to my channel. Till then, cook with Dhaval and spread the joy. Share this recipe with all the chocolate lover friends you have, and even those who do not like chocolate because they might end up liking chocolate after watching these videos.